I'm quite sure you're spending hours of watching different videos and reading different articles last week. But how much you actually remember from last week? Not what you watch, not what you saved. What do you still remember? Research shows that we forget most of the things within days unless we revisiting it. This phenomenon is known as forgetting curve. Today, I want to show you AI-powered tool that designed not just for organize what you find, but help you to remember it. The name of this tool is Recall. If you want to learn how to use it and get the best out of it, please make sure watch this video until the end, because at the end of the video, I also will have some surprise for you. And if you are ready, then let's get started. Recall is AI-powered knowledge tool that helps you save, summarize, organize, and remember everything you read, watch, or listen. It's turned passive information into something useful that's easy to revisit and learn from. Basically, with one click, Recall can summarize content from a huge range of sources, such as YouTube videos, podcasts, articles, PDF files, blog posts, and so on. With one click, you get instant, concise summary. Every summary you save is stored in your personal knowledge base, which Recall automatically organizes and tags based on the topic. That means you can find and revisit your saved knowledge easily later. You also can chat with your knowledge base. You can ask Recall questions about everything you saved, or talk with Recall about specific summary. And the great thing is that everything will be stored in one place. And if you worry about privacy, don't worry. Your data is yours. You have full control over it. Recall doesn't use your data for training purpose. You can export all your data anytime, so nothing will lock you with this tool if you won't like it. And I think one of the most important features in Recall is active recall and spaced repetition. It uses learning science technique, active recall and spaced repetition, to help you actually remember what you learn instead of forgetting it. You can generate quizzes, create different challenges, and based on your test result, Recall will help you to improve the knowledge. It will send you notifications, will help you track the progress, remind you about something that you might forget, and basically try to make sure that you remember what you read. Okay, let me show you Recall in action. In order to get started with Recall, open website getrecall.ai. Then create your account. You can use your email or Google account. And if everything is okay, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. In this dashboard, you will have access to everything that you saved. At the left, you will see the sidebar with all your notes and also additional menu that allows you to navigate for different functionality of this website. At the top right corner, you will see Add button. This button you will need to add the content. You can add the content from URL, from different wiki pages, from PDF files. You can import your bookmarks from Mozilla or Google Chrome, for example. You also can import Markdown files, for example, from Obsidian, or you can create your notes from scratch. If you decided to create notes from scratch, you'll see this kind of page where you need to give the title to your note and then add the text to your notebook. At the right-hand side, you will have available chat that allows you to use AI to ask different questions regarding existing notes or new notes. In order to get the best out of Recall, you would need to set up Google Chrome extension or Mozilla extension, depends on the browser that you are using. You can find the link on the Recall website, or you can do the search in Chrome Store. After the installation, make sure to pin the extension in the extension bar and then log into your Recall account. Let's try a plugin in action. I'm going to open some YouTube video. Okay, let's select the latest video from my YouTube channel and let's see how Recall handled the summarization. So this is my video about GPT 5.3 and Claude Opus. All you need to do now, click at the Recall icon at the extension bar, and then in less than a minute you will get a summary of the video. It is super fast. So based on this summary, seems everything is accurate. However, if you want to know additional details, you want to extend the summary, you can press the button Detailed Summary, and Recall will create more comprehensive summary for you. And if you still feel that it's not enough, you actually can start chat with the summary. You can ask Recall more details about this video, and then once you finish, all the conversations, and the summary will be saved in your notes. I think this is really useful. And if you're not happy with the answer, you always can regenerate it by simply click this regenerate button. And if you now go back to the recall dashboard, you will see the latest summary. So basically all the action that you took will be stored in one place. All the chats that related to this summary, all the notes that you added, so everything will be stored under this card. And as you could see in my left menu, for each new summary, Recall automatically has created the category and add the notes into the right category. I think it's also really useful. And if you are not satisfied with auto sorting, you always can move your into the different category by simply drag and drop the notes. Another cool stuff that Recall does for you, it's create connection between different nodes and also could help you create additional nodes, could be linking into the main one. So basically when you explore the topic about LLMs, for example, Recall will try to see all the records related to LLMs and it will try to create the connection between these different nodes. If you are familiar with Obsidian, you probably know what does it mean. And if you are not, I recommend you read a little bit more about the graph and the knowledge connection on Recall website. Another thing that I want you to remember is that the summary that you create from different sources is editable. You always can remove the text, add the text, or edit the text of the summary. Like I mentioned earlier, you also can do the summary for TikTok videos, different websites, PDF articles, podcasts, basically almost everything that you see on the internet. And all of this you can do with the browser extension or inside your Recall dashboard. But the cool stuff is not the summary. The most important feature that is underrated is a quiz. So the quiz has already been part of Recall, but the new version expanded significantly. And the purpose of quiz is simple: encourage active recall. So basically you can create quiz for each of your nodes, then Recall will try to make sure that you remember everything. So quizzes is built around another well-known learning principle called spaced repetition. Rather than reviewing everything repeatedly, the system surfaces material at increasing intervals, ideally just before you are likely to forget it. So basically Recall will test your knowledge, and if you answer correctly, you see the content less often, and if it's not, probably you'll see it again. So as you could see in my example, I'm generating a list of questions based on my node, and let's see what question I will get. Here we go, this is my 8 questions. So let's try quiz in action, check if it's actually working. I'm quickly answer on all of these questions, and as you could see, everything is working fine. At the end of the quiz, you will see the final result, and once you pass the quiz, Recall will also record the daily streak. I think it's also quite useful because it will encourage you to come back to the quiz, because some of you definitely don't want to break the streak. And another thing that I like a lot, that you actually can share this quiz with anyone, and they also could check their knowledge on this specific topic. I think it's quite useful when you do the training inside your company to make sure that your employee understand the topic well. You can utilize this functionality of Recall. As you could see, this is an example. They will see the link to the material, they will see list of the questions, they will see the amount of the attempts, they also would see the leaderboard. So basically you can create this kind of challenge that encourage your teams not only learn the materials, but also challenge each other. Okay, let me quickly randomly answer on all of these questions in order to show you how leaderboard look like. And as you could see, now I record one attempt with the scoring, time it took for me to finish the quiz. So if you go back to the dashboard, the left menu you will see the link review. In the review page you will see the stats of different quizzes. You will see your streak and other useful information that can help you to track your performance. If you will be using the paid plan, you don't have any limits, so you can create as many questions as you like, and every day at specific time Recall will remind you that you have to take the quiz, and the streak will encourage you to don't give up. Okay, let me create one more quiz. In order to do that, open the node, click at the quiz tab, select amount of questions, questions type, difficulty level, and then press the generate quiz button. This time I'm going to generate quiz on my latest video, and I want to invite everyone who is watching this video to test your knowledge. It's pretty simple. I will leave the link to this challenge under the description for this video. Please give it a shot. I want to see how much you actually remember from my last video. And if you decided to give it a shot to the Recall, these are the prices. As you could see, you can start for free and then move to $7 plan if you will like this tool. The hardest part of learning today is not finding the information, is to remember it. Recall, really try to solve this problem by combining knowledge with structural review. It's helping you to turn saving information to long-term knowledge. But it's not magic, and you still have to be consistent. But this tool make it easy for you to revisit the information over and over again, and it definitely can improve how much you remember over time. There's a free plan available if you want to try it, but paid plan unlock many additional features. And if you decided to upgrade to the premium plan, I have good news for you. I have promo code that gives you 25% discount. The promo code will be on the description for this video. It valid until April. So give it a shot and let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. And if you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Click like, but share with me your feedback in comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Watch my other videos because they're really useful. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Bye.